how to farm on Nusa Finance. Visit nusa.finance and click Go to Apps. Hover to earn in the navigation bar and click Farms. Connect your wallet on the upper right corner of the screen. Make sure your wallet is already logged in from the extension. Choose the LP token pair you want to stake and click to expand the information. Click Enable and a confirmation message will pop up from your wallet extension. Check your transaction and click Confirm to proceed, giving permission for smart contract to access your funds. You will only need to do this once. Click Stake, then input the amount of LP token to stake. Confirm by clicking the Stake button. Confirm your transaction from your wallet, then wait until your transaction is completed.